OMG, have you heard, Bob? There are no more nuggets at MC Donald's. How are we supposed to live with the fact that there is no more fat nuggets coming inside of me?
No chicken nuggets?
Yes, Bob, there is no chicken nuggets.
No chicken nuggets?
Bob, I told you there is no damn fucking nuggets.
Seriously, no chicken nuggets?
For goodness sakes, Bob, will you get off your lazy ass and stop playing fucking World of Warcraft and look at the fucking menu? Chicken nuggets is out, Bob. Is fucking out for fucker. I'm sick of this bullshit. You know what, Bob, you could just kiss this, okay? Kiss this mirror of my ass. Respect.
Well, that was a twist.